Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to send a video from your gallery as a snap on Snapchat. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is to open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, we're gonna need to record a short video clip. And you'll notice the plus sign beside the video clip. Tap on that. And on the right side of your screen, the last icon, you'll see a gallery icon. Tap on it. And you need to select a video that you want to send. And from here, you'll need to click on the first video that you took and delete it. This will only leave you the video you selected from your gallery. Then you need to click preview and double check. And once you're done double checking, you just need to click send to and send it to whoever you like. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!